Hi, my name's Debs Lancaster, and I am probably the newest addition to the Stitchin Post. Tomorrow will be my 5th day on the job. I love it here, and I'm so happy to be here and have the opportunity to work with the wonderful women who share the work world with me, and all of you women who are out there stitching away and creating projects. Is just an experience beyond all others that I get to participate in this. So I'm new here, new to Sisters for 2 years now, came in during COVID after spending 15 years abroad. And so my sewing machine was put away for a long time, and I'm just now getting it out. So I'm currently working on things like mending. And I found this book in the store here that I really love. It's getting me started. I'm very, very rusty. Visible Mending here talks about how to take things and repurpose them, as well as this book, Expressive Stitches. And this is also a new technique that I want to learn about. In this book, Visible Mending, I'm going to learn about borrow. And I have a lot of projects, like I brought a dog over with me from Denmark, and Bella loves to romp around in the woods. She was a stray at one point, and so she tears everything. And she has this fleece vest that she wears to keep her warm, and I have to sew little patches like this on them all over the place. And that's gotten me interested in textile art and creating new things, even to old parts that are rejoining me here in the United States. So until I see you all in the store or through the wonderful world of the web, I will share with you my motto right now from my Mother's Day present: taking it one stitch at a time. And I hope you are loving your stitching as well. Bye.